What's up my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is Sanisha, and in case if you're looking for some shopping ideas, if you're looking for some styling inspo, and if you're looking for some entertainment and fun, then you can subscribe to this channel. And also I wanted to thank you guys because we are 18k strong right now, really close to 20k, and I'm so damn grateful to you guys. And also you can check me out on my Instagram account. I've been creating a lot of reels every day, so that is going to be right over here and you can check me out. And yeah, for today's video we have definitely a lot of winter wear collection from Amazon, and I am so happy to share this with you guys because some of the pieces are like really cool. Okay, this is a mix of sweatshirts and sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. Even I have a bottom piece as well because a lot of guys were asking. Obviously starting with the one that I'm wearing right now, like can you see it is such a nice like a style, like this pink color of graphic on this green sweatshirt. This is apt for less winter, like less cold. If you're in a region where it is not very cold, for example I know like Pune mein, it's never like really cold. The material is absolutely really amazing because this is the one from Vero Moda. I got this one for 909 rupees and the graphic is absolutely really good. Yeah, this is almost till your waistline. It is not crop also and it is not huge also. It's not the baggy style one, but definitely it comes to your waistline. The next piece that we have is very pretty. This one is in the size medium and I absolutely love the color. Is very beautiful blue, like I won't say it's a baby blue, but it's almost like a light sort of blue. Then you have this floral sort of print with this. This is actually printed, I guess it's like a painted print. Obviously it's a sweatshirt and it is a very proper thick material with this inner lining. As you can see, this inner lining, this is so thick and nice. Like you can wear it in like good winter, okay, like when it's like really cold. I got this one in the size medium and I got this one for 576 rupees, which is a great price because the material is really thick. And you also have color options in this one, which is I think so yellow and pink sort of colors, so you can definitely go for it. Okay, next we have a jacket over here, a puffer sort of jacket that you see over here. I had to include a jacket, I mean why not, because a lot of people were asking me for hauls for a very like a wintry region like Shimla and stuff like that, so this would definitely be the one that you can wear. And this one is obviously, you can see that it's freaking thick. Okay, I got this in the size medium and it fits like really properly. I think so you should size up one size. Isme I feel like jackets, if they are loose, they are more comfortable, and I love the yellow color. Never tried a yellow color thing. It also has a pocket over here like both the sides, and I got this one for rupees 689 or something like that. It's under the bracket of 777-ish. Next I want to show you a bottom piece that I got. This is a loungewear bottom piece that you see over there, and this was in the size free size. Okay, there's no size option that you can get, so it is a free size one, and I will say that only small to medium people can actually wear it, like because the elastic is pretty fine and this portion is pretty good, but this portion is not like this area, this crotch area is not a lot, so it will only fit small to medium people, and that is what I felt like a drawback for this one. But this is all like a pant sort of style and it is a lot of like a fleece sort of material. Inside you have this brown sort of lining, so I feel like it's a nice color for sure, like a dark gray sort of color. I like the color. It is only and only for 375 rupees, which is a great price for this one. It has color options of light gray, white and beige and black and everything. I think so brown is also available, and it is like a very, it's a proper like a thin material. It's not like really thick, so bahut zyada stuffy lagta hai if the bottoms are like very thick, so that is why I love about this one. And the next one that I want to show you is the best print that you see over here, sort of a really cool print. I love this combination of beige with black, and can you see it looks so good. This one is from Mode by Red Tape, and I have often got pieces from there and they have always been really nice. The material is really good. The style is amazing. This is one of the nicest style that I see. The style, the cut, and also this is like a high neck sort of style, and you can fold it like this, or also you can keep it open, and then you have nice cuffing over here. It is again till the waistline sort of a thing. I think so I got this one in the size medium, and this is absolutely true to size. You can get in your own size. This one I got for rupees 980. Next piece that I have is this such a cool striped sort of sweater that you have. It's a pullover and the stripes are so colorful and nice with a base of navy, like a dark blue sort of color. And I love this one. Is from the brand Max. I actually received it right now, and this one I got in the size medium, which is really true to size, and it feels like a very lightweight material, very lightweight material, and the color combination is definitely good. And it's a thinner sort of sweater. It's not very thick, and I got this one for 750, 760, something like that. Next that I have is going to be a sweatshirt, like a hoodie sort of sweatshirt that I have, and this is not a black color, this is like a dark blue color. You have a very nice hood over here, and then you have this thing in the front as well, and this is like a plain sort of style. I wanted to try out this color, and this is also available in like pink, in yellow, in green, white. Like there are a lot of color options in this as well. That's why I went for a size up. So I will also ask you to go a size up for sure. And yeah, I like it. It's like really cool style. Like this is something that I can throw up anytime I'm going out, and the thickness is pretty good. And this one is actually a fleece sort of material plus wool. The price range is also very less. It's just 584, which is a very good price. So that would be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Do let me know what you want to see more, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself.